We just installed these no-drill bamboo blinds, and I love how they're looking in our cabin. We wanted something that would work well with all the wood tones, and I am surprised at how perfectly they fit the space. They definitely add this warmth and texture. And the best feature is how easy they are to install. You don't need to drill any holes or make any permanent changes to your window frames. The whole process takes just a few minutes. And if you ever move, you can simply take them down and bring them with you. So these shades are made from natural bamboo. So each one has its own unique grain and character. I really like that they feel natural and not overly manufactured. They help soften the room and still letting in pretty good amount of daylight. They're also cordless. So raising and lowering them is very simple. The shade glides smoothly and stays right where you place it, and there are no dangling cords to worry about. Definitely check these out.